Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm opening a box of the brand new Lego minifigures, the Dungeons & Dragons set. I kind of quit collecting these since they put them in boxes and you can't feel for them anymore because I used to do it that way, so I didn't get a bunch of duplicates. But now there's an app, so I'm going to show you how to do it. You can order these boxes. There's 12 total to collect. There's two different box variations. There's 6 in here, and then so the other box will have the other 6. You don't know what box you're getting though, that's the problem if you order them. But there is an app you can put on your phone. There's several of them, but this one's called omgbricks minifig scanner. So I'm gonna hit start scanning. Let's grab one of these. And then it tells you who's in it. So the Lady of Pain. So let's open it and see if that's correct. And it is, I can already see. Very cool. So I will build this and show you what she looks like. Here's a look at the checklist. I like that they added this piece to them. So some of them come with 2 different heads. So there's like a male and a female variant. But this should be the one that we got. And there are some instructions on the back for building certain pieces. So this is what she looks like. I think this is a really cool minifigure. They're on this little clear stone, and the plates have a kind of like a cobblestone look to it. Very cool. So let's scan the next one and see what it says we're gonna get. And unfortunately, you have to use the QR one. There's not like a certain code that you can look at. So there's a Witch Queen in here. And yeah, definitely her. This is a really cool headpiece with the hair and the hat. I like this one a lot. Comes with a cauldron, spell book. And then she does have a different face on the back. So she's got that mean one and kind of a menacing laugh. That one's really cool. All right, next is Von Zerowitz. Kind of looks like a vampire. That looks neat. And that is him. He does have 2 different looks. 2 different faces, and that's the other face. Here's what he looks like put together. He has a goblet, sword, rat with red eyes. There's lots of detailing and printing on him. I like his hair too. Long black hair. Very cute. So I probably won't scan the rest of them because we know that those work, so I'll just pull them open and build them so you can see them. Oh, this is the one I wanted to see. I was just talking about this. It's like a brain. Looks like it has feet. And that is all one piece. That's really cool. This one's so cool. I love the colors. And this is all one piece, so you can't put the brain thing on him, but if you grab another one, the brain piece can go on any of the minifigures' heads. I think that's super fun. And funny. Okay, we have a couple more left. There's 2 more in the box. This is the other one I wanted to see. He's like skeleton face, and then he also has like this red one. That's a cool face. I like that a lot. This and the witch and the little brain guy I think are some of my favorites. They just did a really good job with the accessories and the printing and the colors. Super cool. All right, let's see what's in the last box. These came from Target, by the way. I'll link it below if you want to buy them in a 6-pack. All right, let's put this guy together. Is that an eyeball? It is. How fun. Okay, so here is the last figure, and like I said, it comes with a second head. Some of them do, so you could do a male or female, but I really like the staff that has the eyeball. I think that's really cool. Also has a dagger and a pretty unique hairpiece as well. And he's got some potions and a key, a different detailing on the back of him. So that is all 6. Like I said, if you order a box, you're either going to get this exact box or you will get a box that has the other 6. There's no way of telling until you get the box and you scan them. But thanks so much for watching. Leave me a comment. Let me know which one is your favorite. Bye, guys.